Hi everyone, in today's video I'll guide you step by step on how to claim your blogger website on Pinterest. This process will help you to link your blogger to Pinterest, giving you access to analytics and other great tools. Let's get started. First, starting by logging into your Pinterest account on your computer. Once you are in, locate the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the menu, select setting. In the setting menu, find and click on claim accounts. Here you will see an option to claim your website. Click on the claim button next to the website. Pinterest will provide you with an HTML tag. Copy this tag because you'll need it to verify your blog. Now head over to your blogger dashboard. On the left hand side, click on theme. Next, click the drop down arrow and choose edit HTML. In the HTML editor, locate the head section of the blog code. Paste the HTML tag provided by Pinterest here. Once done, save your changes. Go back to Pinterest and click on the submit button to verify your blog. Pinterest will take a few moments to process your request, and that is it. You have successfully claimed your blog or website on Pinterest. Now you can access analytics and insight to optimize your content for Pinterest users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.